Alright, so we got a Carrier 38 APS03065. Tandem compressors. One compressor is bad. The CLO for the bad compressor has to see 2.5 amps to stay running. If it doesn't see that, it's going to shut off and lock out. So we take the wiring off the old compressor, nut it off, install new wiring over to compressor 1 at the bottom of the contactor, with one leg running through the CLO. Now we're only running one compressor, even though it thinks compressor 2 is also running. And we'll do this until we can get the compressor replaced.